What's up guys, welcome to Products Room. In this video, we're diving into the world of espresso machines with our roundup of the top 5 best options available. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just looking to upgrade your morning brew, we've got you covered. So be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. And hey, we want to hear from you too. If you have any favorite espresso machine, be sure to let us know in the comments below. We love discovering new products and hearing about your experiences. Now, let's get started. Kicking off our list is the Philips 3200 series Latte Go, the best automatic espresso machine out there. This machine might not come cheap, but it's packed with features that make your coffee making experience as smooth as possible. With the touch of a button, you can create barista-level beverages like espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and more. Plus, you can customize your drink's strength, size, and milk quantity to fit your taste. We found that the coffee it produces is good, with a nice taste that's not too bitter. However, even on its finest grind setting, the coffee could be a bit stronger. The crema is a bit on the thin side, so it might not be ideal for those who like their coffee to pack a punch. The milk frother works well, but the foam isn't as dense as we'd like. One of the best things about the Philips 3200 is how easy it is to use and clean. The attachments are simple to remove, and the Latte Go parts can go in the dishwasher. If simplicity is your top priority, this machine is a great choice. Customers appreciate its ease of use and cleanability, although some have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy and have issues with durability. Overall, if you value convenience and simplicity, the Philips 3200 series Latte Go is a fantastic option. Next up, we have the KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine, our pick for the best compact espresso maker. This machine boasts a sleek and streamlined design that fits perfectly in any modern kitchen. Weighing only 15 pounds, it's easy to move around and doesn't take up much counter space. In our tests, it produced delicious espresso with a thick layer of crema and a delightful aroma. It's incredibly easy to use, with just 4 buttons controlling everything from shot size to water temperature. The steam wand can froth milk and boil water, making it versatile for different drinks. However, it does take a bit of time to reach the final product. The main drawback is that espresso cups can vibrate out of place when brewing, so you might need to hold them in place or use a heavier cup. Despite its plastic exterior, which may feel a bit less premium, the KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine is a joy to use and allows you to be more involved in the espresso making process. Customers love its attractive design, ease of use, and the quality of espresso it produces. Some have noted that it can be noisy, but overall, it's a great machine for those looking for a compact and stylish option. Moving on to number 3, we've got the Breville Barista Express espresso machine. For those new to the world of espresso, the Breville Barista Express is the best beginner machine you can get. Its stainless steel finish and visible pressure gauge make it a stunning addition to any kitchen. More importantly, it consistently delivers excellent espresso with a rich flavor and thick crema. Customization is where this machine really shines. You can adjust the coarseness of the grounds and the quantity with precision, allowing you to find your perfect settings. It comes with 4 portafilter baskets, offering flexibility for single or double shots, whether you're using fresh or pre-ground coffee. The built-in steam wand is great for making lattes and cappuccinos, producing creamy and foamy milk. It can also dispense hot water for tea. Keep in mind that this machine takes up a fair amount of counter space and doesn't have a low water warning. But if you're serious about your coffee and want a machine that looks as good as it performs, the Breville Barista Express is a fantastic choice. Customers rave about its quality, ease of use, and the excellent espresso it produces. Some have mentioned that the pressure gauge can be unreliable, but overall, it's a highly praised machine that's worth the investment. Coming in at number 2 is the Casabrews Espresso Machine CM5418. If you're on a budget, the Casabrews Espresso Machine is the best option for you. Despite its affordable price, it has a sturdy metal construction and a compact design. The 4 buttons on the front make it easy to operate, and the pressure gauge helps you fine-tune your espresso. The espresso it produces has good body and flavor, although using freshly ground beans rather than pre-packaged grounds will yield the best results. The steam wand, while not the most advanced, gets the job done, albeit with some noise and a bit of a learning curve. One downside is the flimsy portafilter, but this can be easily upgraded. Overall, the Casabrews CM5418 is a great budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Customers appreciate its value, ease of use, and compact size. Some have noted that it can be noisy, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Taking the top spot is the Breville Bambino Plus, the best overall espresso machine. It consistently produces high-quality espresso with its automatic milk frother adding a professional touch. The machine heats up in just 3 seconds, so you'll have your coffee fix in no time. You can customize the espresso settings and adjust the milk temperature and texture, allowing you to create the perfect drink every time. The pre-infusion settings ensure a balanced extraction, resulting in rich nuanced flavors. Some users have mentioned that the portafilter can stick. but this minor issue is overshadowed by the machine's consistent performance and ease of use. While it lacks a hot water spout and grinder, the Breville Bambino Plus is perfect for those who value convenience and quality. Customers love its compact size, ease of use, and the consistently good espresso it produces. Some have mixed opinions about the heat up time and quality, but overall, it's a highly rated machine that's worth every penny. So, there you have it, our top 5 best espresso machines. Each of these machines offers something unique, so whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coffee lover, there's an option here for you. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and where to buy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay caffeinated.